Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Robinhood trade errors. To fix a Robinhood trade error, first you have to check the Robinhood's status page to see if the platform is experiencing a widespread outage. So what next you also want to make sure to do is you can also go ahead and completely close the background running app. Hold on to your side button and restart your device. That can also help you out. Next, check for the connectivity status as well. Just go to settings on your device, locate connections or network and internet. Here you just want to make sure to go to internet and make sure that you are connected to a stable internet or not. Sometimes try updating your app as well. Just go to your app store or play store, type in Robinhood and make sure to update the app as well. You could then go ahead and completely close the app. You could also log out and log in. That can also help you out. In some cases, if you have insufficient settled funds, you may be trying to trade with a cash that hasn't finished settling yet as well. And you could also stop order placed at a current market price, or those that would execute immediately will be automatically rejected as well. So these are some of the things you need to keep in mind, and that should be able to help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.